In this video, we are going to learn about using layers in Synfig. Now let's see what is a layer. For example, when we create an animation, there are few things we are steady and few things which are moving. So actually all these objects or elements that we have used in the animation are individual entities. So they are created in layers. So layers are overlapping each other one above the another. When we change properties of any particular layer, other layers properties are unchanged. So we have freedom to work in individual layers. Now we are going to learn about how to apply gradient effect to the layer. For that, open Synfig window. Now click on circle tool. As soon as we click on circle tool, we will have one window open, that is tool options. Here in the tool option there are many other options, wherein the first option is create circle layer is selected. So we have to make sure that this checkbox is selected. Now draw a circle. Again same way, draw a new circle by taking the circle tool. Now we can see that two circles are drawn in canvas. Now we are going to include a gradient layer. For that, select gradient tool from toolbox. Now in tool options of this gradient tool, now from the tool options of this gradient layer, we can select type of gradient. Here multiple options are available. From these options we are selecting spiral. Now drag inside canvas to create gradient. Now we can see that the gradient is created in the whole canvas and the two circle layers are hidden behind this gradient layer. Now we want to apply gradient to circle layer only. For that, select gradient layer again from layers window. From layers window, select gradient layer. Now in params window, click on blend method. By default, layers blend method is composite. Now change it to straight onto by clicking on composite. We will see different options of blend method. So we are selecting straight onto. Now you can see that the gradient is applied to the earlier created layers, that is two circles. Now we are going to remove one circle from this gradient effect. For that, select gradient layer and one circle layer. Now right click on it and select encapsulate. Now you can see that one new layer, that is inline canvas, is created. Under this inline canvas there are two layers, gradient and circle. So now you can see that whatever is encapsulated in inline canvas, that has gradient effect, and the circle that is outside this inline canvas is not getting gradient effect. Now to apply gradient effect to the remaining circle, click and drag it inside inline canvas, and you can see that now gradient is applied to the remaining circle also.